Hi everyone, in this video I'll be answering the questions for Android assignment about location in Google Maps. So what is the difference between Access Find Location and Access Course Location? The difference is in how accurate the location is. Access Find Location gives a precise location using GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks, usually accurate within a few meters. Meanwhile, Access Course Location gives an approximate location. Based mostly on Wi-Fi and cell towers, it's less accurate within a few hundred meters. Why do we need request permission at runtime? Starting from Android 6.0, apps must ask for certain permissions while they're running, not just in the manifest file. This helps protect user privacy and lets user decide whether to allow or deny access when the app actually needs it. Next is what is Fused Location Provider Client and why use it? The Fused Location Client is part of Google's location services. It combines data from GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks to find the most accurate and efficient location. It's preferred because it saves battery and automatically chooses the best source for location updates. Next is, how do you add a marker on Google Maps? So to add a marker, we create a latlang object for the coordinates and then call map add marker, which is marker options, position, the location, title. Then this line of code will place a pin on the map at that location. What is the latlang and what does it represent? Latlang is a simple data class that represents a geographic point. It has two values, latitude and longitude. For example, the Manila, Philippines. Search na to ni Manila, Philippines. Sakto siya. Ang latitude niya is 14.595 and the longitude is 120.9842. Then next is, how do you move the camera to a specific location? So you can move or zoom the camera using this line of code. Kaninga code. Kaninga first part is the location. The kaninga second part is the zoom level. The higher the number, the closer the zoom. What happens if location permission is denied? If the user denies a permission, the app can't access the location data. That means features like showing the user's current position won't work. It's important to handle this by showing a message that explains why the permission is needed. So next is, how do you enable zoom controls on the map? So you can enable zoom buttons using the maps.ui kani set zoom control enabled. Kaning nga line of code shows the little plus and minus buttons on the map for easier zooming, which is kani plus zoom out minus. Muna ang iyang function sa code. For example, Bohol. Corelia. Bohol. Moni. Corelia. Zoom. Corelia. The latitude niya kay 9.6873. Ang longitude is 123.9222. So, that's all for this video, and thank you.